Data Engineer Roadmap, 0 to Job Ready. Why data engineering is in demand. Data analysts need data. But who prepares it? Data engineers. What data engineers do? Build systems to collect data, process data, store data. Step 1. Learn programming Python SQL. Step 2. Learn databases, relational databases, NoSQL databases, understand data storage. Step 3. Learn data processing, batch processing, real-time processing. Step 4. Learn big data tools, Apache, Spark, Hadoop. Step 5. Learn data pipelines, ETL, extract, transform, load, build data workflows. Step 6. Learn cloud data tools. Use platforms like Amazon Web Services. Work with data lakes, data warehouses. Step 7. Build projects, ETL pipeline, data warehouse system, real-time data processing. What companies expect? Strong SQL data handling system design. Common mistakes: ignoring fundamentals, no hands-on pipelines, focusing only on theory. The timeline 4 to 7 months with consistency. Career path: data engineer, senior data engineer, data architect. The final take: data is valuable, but structured data is powerful. Bar chart emoji, rocket emoji.